Study room. This is a fifth series on Post Office Guide Part 1, and in this series we have focused more on parcel service, that is from class 145. Please watch and enjoy. Number 1. Parcel may contain option A no communication, option B single communication, option C maximum 2 communications, option D any number of communications. The correct answer is option B single communication. Number 2. If more than one communication found in a parcel, option A. Each communication shall be charged on delivery with double the letter postage. Option B. Each communication shall be charged on delivery with single the letter postage. Option C. Each communication shall be charged on delivery with single the parcel postage. Option D. Each communication shall be charged on delivery with double the ILC postage. The correct answer is option A. That is, each communication shall be charged on delivery with double the letter postage. Question number 3. When more communication found in parcel while calculating the due amount, whether the postage paid to parcel will be considered or not. Option A will be considered, option B will not be considered, option C at the discretion of the postmaster, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B will not be considered. Number 4. When more than one communication found in parcel, it has to be taxed, and the receiver has to pay the taxed amount to receive the parcel along with all communication which are taxed. If receiver fails to collect, then option A, the entire parcel will be returned to sender and he has to pay. Option B, the entire parcel will be sent to RLO. Option C, the parcel will be delivered to the receiver without the communications found inside. Option D, delivery postmaster can decide the action to be taken. The correct answer is option A, the entire parcel will be returned to the sender along with all the communication and he has to pay. Question number 5. If more than one communication found in official parcel, option A. Each communication shall be charged on delivery with double the letter postage. Option B. Each communication shall be charged on delivery with single the letter postage. Option C. Each communication shall be charged on delivery with single the parcel postage. Option D. Each communication shall be charged on delivery with double the ILC postage. The correct answer is option B. Each communication shall be charged on delivery with single the letter postage because it is an official communication. Question number 6. The maximum weight of unregistered parcel can be option A 2 kg, option B 3 kg, option C 4 kg, option D 5 kg. The correct answer is option C 4 kg. Question number 7. Maximum weight of URP which can be posted in letterbox. Option A less than 500 grams. Option B less than 1 kg. Option C less than 2 kg. Option D cannot be posted in letterbox. The correct answer is option D cannot be posted in letterbox. Question number 8. Minimum weight of the parcel should be option A 50 grams, option B 500 grams, option C 4 kg, option D no minimum weight limit is prescribed. The correct answer is option D, no minimum weight limit is prescribed. This is for transmission of parcel through post. Question number 9. Minimum chargeable weight of the parcel will be option A 50 grams, option B 500 grams, option C 4 kg, option D no minimum weight limit is prescribed. The correct answer is option B 500 grams. Here we are asking about chargeable weight of the parcel. You can compare with the previous questions, that is about transmission, here about chargeable weight. Question number 10. What is PNOP? Option A, Project National Operation Parcel. Option B, Parcel New Operational Project. Option C, Parcel Network Operational Project. Option D, Parcel Network Optimization Project. The correct answer is option D, Parcel Network Optimization Project. Question number 11. The parcel weighing more than 4 kg received for transmission through post has to be option A, compulsorily booked as speed parcel. Option B, compulsorily registered. Option C, booked as business parcel. Option D, cannot be transmitted as parcel. The correct answer is option B, compulsorily registered. Question number 12. In branch post offices, parcel weighing up to dash kg can be booked. Option A 4 kg, option B 5 kg, option C 10 kg, option D 20 kg. It is option C 10 kg. Question number 13. Maximum weight up to which parcel can be booked at departmental post offices? Option A 5 kg, option B 10 kg, option C 20 kg, option D 35 kg. The correct answer is option C 20 kg. Question number 14. Read the statement. Option A. After PNOP, the parcel is considered as premium product. Option B. As per PNOP, all the parcel has to be compulsorily registered and barcode to be affixed for tracking. Option A is correct, but option B is wrong. B. Option A is wrong, but option B is correct. C. Both A and B is correct. D. Both A and B is wrong. The correct answer is option D. Both A and B is wrong. Even after PNOP, parcel is not considered as premium product. The same category of URP registered parcel continues, and there is no need for all the parcel to be registered. URP is still being continued. Question number 15. Length of the parcel should not exceed option A half meter, option B 1 meter, option C 1.5 meter, option D 2 meter. The correct answer is option B 1 meter. Question number 16. Length and width of the parcel combined should not exceed option A 1.5 meter, option B 1 meter, option C 1.8 meter, option D 2 meters. The correct answer is option C 1.8 meter. Here it is both length and width combined. Question number 17. Can the liquid item can be transmitted by parcel? Option A yes, option B no. The correct answer is option A yes. As per clause 147, many people get confused here. Question number 18. It's very interesting. Can the live bees can be transmitted by parcel? Option A yes, option B no. The correct answer is option A yes. The packing conditions are given in detail in PO guide. Question number 19. Very interesting. Can the human internal organs can be transmitted by parcel? Option A yes, option B no. The correct answer is option A yes. So please go through in detail about PO guide. Question number 20. When the sender of a parcel or messenger decide to use stamps for postage. Option A. Sender or messenger has to affix stamps on parcel. Option B. Postal official should not affix stamp on parcel. Option C. Postal official can only sell the required stamp across the counter. Option D. All the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Question number 21. If any parcel found posted in letterbox, option A, it will not be transmitted further. Option B, it will be returned to sender. Option C, it will be sent to RLO. Option D, it will be booked as registered parcel and due will be collected. The correct answer is option D. It will be booked as registered parcel and due will be collected. Question number 22. If parcel with liquid item presented in the counter without proper packing as prescribed in PO guide, whether it will be transmitted by post? Option A. No, it will not be transmitted if not properly packed. Option B. Liquid item cannot be transmitted by post. Option C. Postal official should ensure proper packing then transmit. Option D. Hand over to postmaster and postmaster has to arrange for proper packing. The correct answer is option A. No, it will not be transmitted if not properly packed. Question number 23. What is the tariff of parcel weighing 550 grams? Option A, rupees 19. Option B, rupees 35. Option C, rupees 16. Option D, rupees 38. The correct answer is option B, rupees 35. Question number 24. What is the tariff of a parcel URP weighing 5,550 grams? Option A, rupees 195. Option B, 192. Option C, 179. Option D cannot be transmitted as URP. The correct answer is option D, cannot be transmitted as URP. Question number 25. Whether the valuable like gold jewelries can be sent through parcel service. Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A. Yes, it can be sent.
You can follow us by being a subscriber in YouTube or through WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and be a beneficial. Thank you.